There's one thing in every bathroom people notice before anything else. Before the tile, before the mirror, before the lighting. The faucet. Get it wrong and the whole space feels off. Get it right and suddenly the room just works. Today, we're looking at a faucet that might just get it right. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. We're breaking down this single-hole bathroom faucet piece by piece. The design, the build, the everyday features. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether it deserves a spot on your vanity. Let's get into it. Design. First thing you notice? It just looks put together. It's got this transitional style, so you've got a traditional curved spout, and then a side-mounted lever handle that keeps everything feeling simple, not cluttered. The finish is called champagne bronze. And I gotta say, it's a really nice one. It's warm, kind of a brushed gold look, doesn't scream for attention, but it definitely adds some personality. And it's flexible too. It works whether your bathroom's more modern or leaning traditional. Underneath all that, it's solid brass, handle included, so it's got some real weight to it, feels legit in your hand. For install, it's built for a single-hole deck mount setup. But hey, if your sink's already got 3 holes drilled, don't stress. It comes with a deck plate and gasket, so it'll still work. Features. Alright, this is where it gets good. Inside, you've got a ceramic disc valve cartridge, which basically just means the handle's gonna turn smooth now, and it's gonna keep turning smooth years from now. No grinding, no getting stiff on you over time. Flow rate's 1.2 gallons per minute, so it's efficient, doesn't feel weak either, and it's lead-free, which, always nice to hear. But honestly, the feature that got me was the push-pop drain. Instead of having to crawl under the sink every time it clogs, you literally just unscrew it from the top. If you've ever dealt with hair stuck in a drain, you know that's a genuine win. And the finish itself is built to resist corrosion. It's actually been tested under some pretty rough conditions, so it's not just about looking good the first week you install it. Setup and the fine print. Installation's simple. Honestly, single hole means your countertop stays clean, no random extra holes or hardware sticking out. As for size, you're looking at a 4.88-inch spout height, about 0.66 feet of reach, and the whole faucet comes in at 5.5 inches deep, 6 wide, 8.13 tall. In the box you get the manual, plus that deck plate if you need it for a 3-hole setup. And if you're someone who likes knowing you're covered, Delta's backing this with a lifetime limited warranty on the faucet and the finish. Exact model here is the Delta Nicoli 15849LF-CZ. So yeah, that's the Delta Nicoli, champagne bronze finish, solid brass build, smooth ceramic disc valve, and that push-pop drain that honestly just makes life easier. If this helped you out at all, drop a like, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one from Kitchen Faucet.